Miniwargamer Dave here from Miniwargaming.com. Welcome Wargamers to another Kill Team Battle Report. Behind me we have Steve. He's fielding his orcs, I'm fielding my Chaos Space Marines. And let's see what we are bringing in this Kill Team Batrep. Orc bikes.
8 of them, all identical, all just basic equipment. Assault 3, twin link deck gun, strength 5, 18-inch range.
Strength 5?
Strength 5.
Ooh, that's going to be tough for me. You're going to kill me. Frick! Totally dead.
We'll be 1-1 again, just like the draw we just had.
I know, just like the draw. Okay, now look at this. Possessed. What am I thinking? Bringing Possessed. They are the fodder of the chaos, but I just wanted to bring them because I thought they'd be fun. So, and they are pretty fun. So, yeah. Okay, now for these guys, before we start, can I have an epic die, please? I got to roll for Damican. What that does is it gives me a random ability. 1, Scouts. Yes.
So all 6 of them have scout?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Does that increase their cover save?
Scouts?
Or no? What's scout do?
I get a move after we deploy.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. So let's see who goes first. 5 inches. 5.
Try it again.
I didn't mean to say inches. 4. You got a 2. So I have to go first. I have a choice. I'll deploy in this table corner once again.
Take that corner then.
Okay, that's 9 inches from the center, and let's get going. All right, universal special rules. I should have mentioned this before, especially before I rolled for Damican, but we're just going to go ahead and say them now. Halfway to Demon and Crucian in the back there, he's got Feel No Pain. Very fitting. This other guy with wings, he's got Fleet. This guy with the crab claws in the front has Preferred Enemy. Very fitting also. Universal special rules for your orcs.
He'll have scout.
Yep.
This model next to him will have Feel No Pain.
Okay.
And he will have. I need to use. What's a useless special roll? I'll give the guy another useless one.
A useless one?
Yeah. He'll have Tank Hunter.
Okay. Works for me. I'm done my deployment.
Okay.
Yeah, so now you go. 5 inches though. Do you realize I have 0 shooting ability?
Really?
Yeah. Like 0?
Like, they don't have guns?
They don't have guns.
No.
No, because Possessed suck.
They're kind of bad for taking a lot of shooting then.
Yeah, you're gonna gun me down. I'll probably die. That's my prediction. So I roll a die, and if I get a 1, you steal the initiative. Nope. Okay, so now we're done deployment. I use my scout moves, and okay, so 6. Now in the scout move, do you have to roll for difficulty?
I'd say no.
Okay then.
And I'm not about to go check the rulebook for it.
Okay, now it's actually my turn. So what we're going to do here is he's going to, have to roll. Let's see. No, he's on top already, doesn't have to roll. It's only when he goes down he rolls. So he'll move right there. He's 6. Right there. These guys. Might as well just, no, I'm going to move right up. I don't care. I'm going to get to this area. And he'll move in front of him. Because I have Feel No Pain in the front. Hey, hold on. Do you have any weapons that negate my armor?
No.
Oh, so that doesn't even matter. 6 inch. 6 inch. Now let's run. He's got Fleet, so 4 inches. That'll be down there. It'll be enough for me to get to.
You're gonna charge the guy with Tank Hunter, aren't you?
This guy, he's gonna run 5 inches. He's right there. But you can just like move far away.
Yeah, you don't have Fleet. Only the one guy does.
Yeah. But I might as well get closer somehow. Crucian. 1 inch, Crucian. Good job with your wings. This guy in the back. He's got 3 inches, so that's enough to make it to the edge. Front guy, 6. The other guy, 3. So this guy's 6. Right there. This guy. 3 inches. Right there. The guy with Fleet, he's going to attack one guy. And I'm assuming I go first.
I have an initiative of 2, so that sounds like a good assumption.
Yes. So I have. What the? I have to check something. Because I don't feel possessed all that often, I need to double check something. Okay. Oh, they only get 3 attacks on the charge. Okay, so my guy goes first. I'm hitting you in force. And I'm winning you on...
I'm toughness 5.
Are you toughness 5?
Because of the bike.
Frick! Okay, well my strength is 5, so it's 4. Nothing. Your turn.